Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to take for the continuous statement. The continuous statement is used to continue the loop. It continues the current flow of the program and skips the remaining code at the specified condition. In case of inner loop, it continues only the inner loop. So we will first see the example of continuous statement, which is start with the for loop. It is as similar as the break statement but only having the value of continue. Now see the output. There is a flow of actually the output has to be from 1 to 10 only. But because of this condition, whenever this condition met, it will execute the continue statement and the control has been come out of the loop and go again re-execution of the loop without executing the cout statement or whatever the statement is there after the continue state. So only that condition will not get printed, and apart from that statement every execution has been printed on the output screen. So except 5 there is everything you can see on the screen like 1 2 3 4 and 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, now we will go with the inner loop. So for that, I'm drawing the condition and we will start with the inner for loop. Okay, and like our previous condition, if I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2 for the validation, and then inside that we will put the our continue statement. Okay, out of the loop our current statement is there, I space j handle. Okay, now what will happen whenever the condition is meeting, that is I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2, only this statement will not get printed on the screen, and apart from this statement everything will be printed on the output screen. Here is the output. Why it has been came like this? Okay, we will see the small output. See, 1 1 1 2 1 3, then 2 1. Now till this, and after this there was a 2 2 condition. It has been skipped by the continue statement, and the loop continues to the execution till the end of the program. Okay, so that's it for the continue statement. Thank you. Bye bye.